Are you tired of missing leads and customer messages from your website? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to integrate WhatsApp into your WordPress site in just a few simple steps so your visitors can contact you instantly. By the end of this tutorial, your website will have a WhatsApp chat button that helps boost engagement and sales, no coding needed. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Click to Chat or WP Social Chat. Both are free and reliable WhatsApp plugins. Click Install Now on your chosen plugin, then hit Activate once it's installed. Pro tip: look at the plugin ratings and active installs before choosing one. It helps you pick the most trusted option. Next, go to the plugin settings, usually found under Settings or in the left-hand menu as Click to Chat or WP Social Chat. Enter your WhatsApp phone number in the required field. Make sure to include your country code, for example, 1 for the USA. You'll also see options to customize your welcome message, chat button text, and where the button appears, like bottom right corner of your website. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save Changes. Quick tip: keep your welcome message friendly and inviting. Something like, "Hi there, how can we help you today?" works great. Let's now go back to our website and refresh to see if the WhatsApp button has been added. Our button has been added. Clicking here will open the WhatsApp page. Pro tip: test it on both desktop and mobile to make sure it's working smoothly everywhere. Now, if you want to check the other settings of this plugin and set them up to your liking, your work will be easier. You should see the WhatsApp icon floating on your screen, usually at the bottom corner. Click on it and it should open WhatsApp or WhatsApp Web, ready to chat. Bonus tips: add WhatsApp to only specific pages using display rules in the plugin settings. Use Google Analytics to track button clicks and measure how many users are contacting you. Add a delay timer so the button pops up after a few seconds of browsing that can boost click-throughs. And that's it. You've now successfully added WhatsApp to your WordPress website. This small change can make a big impact on your customer communication. Feel free to explore the advanced settings in your plugin to further customize the chat experience. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more simple tech tutorials like this. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching. Click here to watch another helpful video.